Hi, today I'm at block 129 Pasir Ris Street 11. Do you know that EMs are no more in production in Singapore? Owning one definitely will grow in value in future. This is Noonal Farina from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division, Dallas Hudson branch. Let's take a look at this beautiful house. This is an exclusive executive maisonette that is 144 square meter. As we come inside, on the right, usually many EM owners use this space as a study, dining, family gathering area. But the owners here converted to a fully functional, cozy bedroom that is suitable for kids and elderly. On my left, a cozy reading area also created for a perfect relaxing area. The wonderful part about this kitchen is that it is very cozy, spacious and equipped with all the necessary appliances, and there is still room for a small island. Personally, I would say the most exciting feature has to be the balcony. It is directly connected to the kitchen and to the living hall. Expecting a big crowd? Not to worry, let's open this door. As we go into the living hall, this is where a lot of communal sharing and socializing takes place. They have created a wonderful heaven for themselves, which they truly call it home. The ID created ample of space throughout the house, allowing the owners to tuck away everything neatly. We are now at the first common room on the upper level. Despite the queen-size bed and also a big wardrobe, we still have so much space here. Now we are at the common room number 2. Despite having a queen-size bed and a wardrobe, there is still room for a study table. This common bathroom cleverly hides away the laundry area. You won't be able to know if I didn't tell you, right? The owners really did a lot of work into integrating the space for the master room. Easily, king-size bed can fit in, or even a massage chair. I think a lot of details actually went into the walk-in wardrobe and the attached bathroom. Beautiful. There are just so many features that I want to share, but I can't do it in this video. But you can call me at 87824337. This is Noonal Farina from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division, and I'll see you on the next video.